अदर कंट्रीज बायोसिक्योरिटी। इसमें हम बायोसिक्योरिटी एक्ट 3 मुल्कों के पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें न्यूजीलैंड, क्वींसलैंड और इंडिया शामिल हैं। सो फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बायोसिक्योरिटी एक्ट ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड। Now, New Zealand first worked with the other organizations because till 1993 no special legislations related to biosecurity were developed. So they have to work with other organizations to deal with the hazardous substances. Then in 1996 a new act was developed by the name of Hazardous Substance and New Organism Act, that deals not only with the human health but it also talks about the environment safety. Now let's talk about the Biosecurity Act of Queensland, that is of 2014. The main objective of Queensland Biosecurity Act 2014 is to facilitate responding to the impact of biosafety or biosecurity consideration, whether it deals with the animals or with the plants. So safety and quality of animal feed is required. Then there must be proper agriculture inputs for the field of agriculture. Then these are the requirements, whether we are dealing with the animals or with the plants. These are the requirements which are required for at every national level. So Queensland Biosecurity Act also deals with the animals and agriculture as well as for the environment safety. Then let's talk about the India Biosecurity Act, that prevents the entry of alien species into the state. Then it deals with the sanitary and phytosanitary measures such as Salmonella and Acinetobacter. Then genetically modified organisms, that they must not be entered into the country, and if they are prepared within the country then they require pre-market approval. It also deals with the bioethical considerations in the field of research.